Nestled within a Pacific Northwest forest, alongside a small glacial lake, lies a unique and amazingly beautiful botanical garden. Located about 20 miles northeast of Seattle, this lush 2-acre garden is a treasure trove of Northwest native plants, as well as hundreds of rare and exotic species. But it is best known for being one of the only gardens in the world featuring a very rare and endangered wildflower called the Trillium.
My name is Susie Egan, and I've been a plant and gardening enthusiast all my life. And after 35 years of managing law firms, I decided to pursue my passion of gardening. And this led me to become a master gardener, garden designer, lecturer, and eventually curator of my very own botanical garden. Cottage Lake Gardens has one of the world's largest Trillium collections and currently grows every known species of the flower. This garden also serves as a preserve, creating a protected environment for them to grow and thrive. We started the garden in 1994 when my husband, Kevin, and I purchased a 1-acre parcel of forested property on Cottage Lake. At the time, it had been overgrown with tangles of non-native blackberries and English ivy. And over the next 20 years, we expanded the property an additional acre while transforming it into the wonderful garden that you see here today. Visitors love walking along our nature trails beneath the peaceful forest canopies, and many are astonished at the lush mosaic of plants and how they seemingly weave together like beautiful floral tapestries. Our mission at Cottage Lake Gardens, like the Trillium, is threefold. First, to conserve and protect trilliums and to keep them from going extinct. We grow trilliums from seed, and we coordinate an international seed exchange to make these precious wildflowers more readily available. This also minimizes the temptation for people to dig them from the wild, which is a leading factor in their endangerment. In addition, we participate in trillium rescues when situations arise that threaten their natural habitats. Second, to study and conduct research on trilliums. Our Trillium collection includes over 3,500 accessions, and they're meticulously documented in a detailed database that can be used by botanists and scientists for purposes of scientific research and education. We have also organized and participated in several Trillium trekking expeditions in North America and Asia to find trilliums in the wild. By observing them in their native habitats, we can better understand the conditions each species requires for successful cultivation in a garden setting. And third, to provide a place of natural beauty for relaxation, social interaction, and enjoyment. We do this by hosting Trillium teas, garden tours, and other special events here at Cottage Lake Gardens. And all the proceeds from our events and plant sales go towards garden maintenance, Trillium conservation efforts, and keeping the world beautiful. You can get more information about this endangered wildflower and our Trillium teas by visiting our website at cottagelakegardens.com. And if you'd like to become a volunteer, or you're interested in helping with our conservation efforts, please send me an email. Our hope is to spread the love of trilliums to everyone.